Hey dessert lovers, get ready to whip up a classic that's pure joy, Banoffee pie. This no-bake wonder combines crunchy crust, luscious toffee, fresh bananas, and fluffy cream. It's simple, fun, and absolutely delicious. First, let's tackle the base. Crush digestive biscuits until fine, then mix them with melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into your pie dish. Pop it in the fridge to chill while we prepare the next layer. This creates a sturdy, buttery foundation. Now for the star, the toffee. You can use a can of dulce de leche for a super quick shortcut. Or for a homemade touch, gently simmer a can of condensed milk in water for a few hours until it transforms into a rich golden caramel. Let it cool slightly before spreading. Once your toffee is ready and spread over the chilled crust, it's time for the bananas. Slice fresh, ripe bananas and arrange them generously over the toffee layer. Don't be shy. The more bananas, the better. They add a wonderful freshness and texture. Finally, the crowning glory, whipped cream. Whip cold, heavy cream with a touch of vanilla and a spoonful of powdered sugar until it forms soft peaks. Pile this cloud of cream high over the bananas. A sprinkle of chocolate shavings or cocoa powder adds the perfect finish. Chill your Banoffee pie for at least an hour before serving. Every bite is a delightful blend of sweet, creamy, and crunchy. It's the ultimate crowd pleaser and so easy to make. Go on, give it a try.